Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the kidney and the filtration system. My name's Kayla, and then later you're going to meet Don. So we're going to take a look at this structure. This is our kidney. This is 3 times larger than the kidney in your body. But to get to the filtration system, we're going to need to zoom in. So we're going to zoom in to a section right about here, and we're going here. This is called the nephron. This is 120 times the size of what's in your body. But we even need to get smaller than that. So we're going to zoom in to this little part, the renal corpuscle. Right over here, this is 300 times. There's millions of these in just one kidney in your body. So we need to look how the blood gets to it. We have our afferent arteriole going in, and then we're going to have a filtration system here. It's our primary filtration that Don's going to teach us about. We're going to have some of it, 20% of it, coming out and filtrate. This is eventually going to turn into your urine, coming out in this renal tubule. Then you're going to have 80% going out your efferent arteriole. So remember, afferent means towards, efferent means away.
Hello everybody, my name is Don, and just like Kayla said before, I'm going to tell you exactly how blood flows as well as how the filtrate is formed throughout this structure. So first, as we saw before, all the blood that enters into your kidneys does eventually get into this afferent arteriole and enters this structure right here, which is called your glomerulus. Now the glomerulus is a big wad of fenestrated tubules. It kind of works as a strainer. So basically blood goes through here, and some of the blood it has waste in it. It goes out this way, as well as some nutrients, because it does not filtrate completely properly. But for the majority, the blood, 80% of it goes out this way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to follow the pathway of blood through to the efferent arteriole, and we're going to see this structure superimposed over the renal tubule. So basically you have your efferent arteriole just next to your renal tubule, and these things that are connecting the two efferent arterioles, that is called a paratubular capillary. And what its function is what it does is it helps the renal tubule to filtrate and to reabsorb and secrete. So it reabsorbs the nutrients that are in here that weren't able to get into the efferent arteriole up there, but it also helps to take the waste out of the efferent arteriole that could not be filtrated out up there as well, and those go into the renal tubule, where they are later excreted into your urine. So one other thing that's great about this is there's something called the pH buffer system. So if you have excess nutrients or too many salts in your body, this will also take those excess nutrients and salts and excrete them out as well. If you weren't able to do that properly, your body would not be able to maintain something called homeostasis, which is what you need to be able to live properly and for your body to function properly. So for people who do not have this functioning properly, they have to go on something called dialysis, which helps filtrate their blood for them, or else if you didn't have that, you would die.